robust and easy to assemble, and will protect your crops from harmful storage bugs and moulds, which too often lead to deducted prices and rejected loads. Polycool pedestals are easy to install and will give you years of reliable and trouble-free service in the grain store. As standard, Polycool comes in 3 distinct sections. Non-perforated 150mm extension pipes can be joined together using push-fit couplers, a rotationally moulded reducer, and a perforated 450mm base section. Polycool can be adapted to ventilate most storage depths. Individual components push together and remain rigid when in situ. The assembled unit is lightweight to move around, but will withstand knocks and bumps without compromising Polycool's integrity or longevity. Once assembled, Polycool is ready to be located in the grain. It is freestanding and needs no additional support before or during filling of the store. When Polycool is in position, the base section must be covered with grain to ensure that it does not shift when trailers are tipping. As you can see, this process is quick and easy and does not require much grain to be placed around the pedestal. Grain can now be tipped directly around the pedestal from the trailer. As you can see, with minimal base coverage, Polycool pedestals will maintain their position even with large amounts of grain flowing around them. When the trailer has been tipped, grain should be bucketed around the pedestals and levelled to get the best possible performance from the system. When the perforated base section is covered completely, fans can be positioned and turned on to start the removal of field or dryer heat immediately. Fans are British built with an all-aluminium construction and available in a range of outputs to suit your store. Unloading your store with Polycool is quick and easy as well. With the fans now removed, the pedestal can simply be scooped out using the grain bucket. No other pedestal system is as quick and easy to remove from the store as Polycool. The units can withstand impacts without damage, making Polycool perfect for the busy farm environment. Once removed, the store can be quickly unloaded and waiting lorries sent on their way. Polycool can then be cleaned and packed away and is ready for the next season. The ducts require no annual maintenance or repair. Your grain store is now available to be used for other storage duties. Polycool will remove heat from crops straight off the field or remove heat from crops that have been through a dryer. This means that your dryer is not used to do the cooling, allowing its output to be increased during the busy harvest period. With a purchase cost that equates to approximately £3 per stored tonne of crop, Polycool offers the farmer a ventilation solution that is not just affordable, but perfect for life in the modern grain store.